day at Thunderland, and we really had a very nice time. As you can see, the view was really lovely, and we really enjoyed it. This was beautiful. I can't believe how this was going.
Warning, in the interest of safety, hold on to your pants!
Look, even little puppy headphone. And those were the view from the tower. More really good views from the tower. Yeah. Even the dog had a good laugh out of it. Oh well, good day.